Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can create your own AI influencer and as well monetize it using Higgsfield AI. I'm going to walk you through the process on how you can create your own AI influencer and as well how you can monetize it using the Higgsfield Earn. So guys, the first thing you want to do is click on the link in the description. When you click on that link, it's going to take you right here to this page, the AI Influencer Studio. All right, so here on this page, this is an AI influencer I created earlier. As you can see, I created this person from scratch. This is not a real person. This is an AI influencer. So I'm going to walk you through the process on how you can create your own as well. But before that, let me show you a video of this AI influencer I created. So I made this version. You can see this one is a bit darker, and I felt like, okay, let me make it like a lighter skin tone. All right, so here is a video I made of this AI influencer dancing. So you can see this literally looks like a real person. So if I post this on Instagram or on YouTube, a lot of people will not even know this is AI. So I'm going to show you a step-by-step process of how you can create your own AI influencer using the AI tool. All right, so here we are, the AI Influencer Studio on the Higgsfield.ai website. And what we want to do to create our own influencer is to click on the Create New right here. So the first thing we want to do to create our own AI influencer is to click on the Create New button right here. And when you do that, you can see by the side it says Builder and Prompt. So Builder is just for you to go through all these options. You can select any of these options to build your own AI influencer from scratch, or you can just write a prompt to give a detailed description of what you want to create, and this AI influencer builder is going to do that for you. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to walk you through the builder tool. So here I want to create a character, maybe like a realistic human character. So what I want to do is click on human. As you can see, human is already selected here because I clicked on human here. So the next thing you want to do is scroll down. All right. So mind me, you can decide to create any of these characters here. If you want to create an ant, bee, octopus, you can decide to do that here. But for the purpose of this video, I want to create a realistic human character, just like this one here. All right, so what I want to do next is scroll down after selecting human, and I want to select the gender. So I'm going to select female, and also I want to select the ethnicity. So I'm going to select mixed. So you can choose any of these options of your choice. All right, so skin color, I want to select brown. Eye color, let me select amber for the eyes, and then the kind of skin you want. Uh, I want to select birthmarks, because you know why I selected this is because people with this kind of skin conditions are rare, and if you want an AI influencer that will really go viral, that people will talk about, then you want to bring in these unique features that people don't see every day, and for that reason they want to watch your videos and engage with it. All right, so the next thing I want to do is select the age. Adult, you can choose mature or senior, but for the purpose of this video I'll go with adult. All right, so you can actually generate with this, but me, I would like to go through the advanced settings, and so I can get what I want correctly. So I want to set up the face. You can see after selecting face, eyes. All right, I want human eyes, so you can choose a reptile eye or a mechanical eye. It depends on what you want to create, but me, I want to create a realistic human character. So for the eyes, I want the same eyes, so I'm not just going to select anything here. For the mouth and teeth, I want a small mouth. For the ears, human ears, ons, no ons. So I'm going to leave this blank. Face skin material, human skin. Surface pattern. All right, I'm going to leave this solid. That's because I'm trying to create a realistic human character. So for the body, I don't think there is anything much for me to choose here. Just, I want athletic. You can decide to go with curvy. Okay, let me go with curvy for the purpose of this video. So for the arms, if you want prosthetic arm, you can choose here. So I'm just going to choose normal arm. Normal arm. So everything normal. Normal leg. All right, so I'm going to scroll up the style. Okay, so I'm going to choose the hairstyle right here. I want long hair, accessories and markings, tattoos. I don't want tattoos. Piercing. Okay, let me select piercing here. And what else? Rendering style. Hyper realistic. This is because I want a realistic looking human. So I'm going to select hyper realistic so it looks real. All right, so I think that is all I need to do here. So the next thing I want to do is click on generate right here. You can see it says generating, and as you can see, it is in queue. It's already in progress. So I'm just going to wait for a few minutes for this to finish generating. All right, so my character is ready. This is the character I just created. So I'm going to click on it. So the next thing we want to do now is make some videos with this AI influencer. So we want to make some realistic looking videos. We can as well decide to edit this character. You can see it says edit in Nano Banana Pro. We can decide to type some custom things we want to edit. Just type some things we want to change here and it will edit. So I'm just going to watch you through how you can make a video out of this, make a couple of videos of this AI influencer. So what you want to do next is click on the video icon here. You can see it says try free. So I'm just going to click on this, explore. All right, so here on this page, we are going to make use of the motion control for us to make some videos with this AI influencer. So we can literally go to the motion library and we can take a look at some of the templates here that we can copy from. So if you want to use any of these templates, all you have to do is click on the video of your choice and it's going to put your influencer in that video. It's just like make a video or make a similar video with your influencer. For instance, let's say I want to make a video of my influencer laying on the bed just like this lady here. All I have to do is click on this and click on generate. So as you can see, it's in queue already. It might take a few seconds to make a video of my AI influencer in this position. So we are just going to wait a little for the video to come up. All right, so as you can see, our video is ready. So I'm just going to play the video right here. All right, so you can see this is very, very easy. If you follow the steps I showed you, you should be able to create your own AI influencer as well as make different videos of your AI influencer. So you can literally just download this video right here. Just click on the download button right here, and it's going to download on your device. So if you look closely, you see that the face looks exactly the same. This is the image we created right here, and this is the video. The face of the influencer looks exactly the same. So you can as well use the Nano Banana Pro to create different versions of this influencer, maybe in different positions, different clothing and all that. And if you take a look at the video also looks similar to this one we selected. So we can as well go to the motion library and look at other videos. We can create several other videos of our influencer. We can make a video of the influencer dancing. We can make a video of the influencer um, doing different challenges, like this is a TikTok challenge. We can make several videos. We can also here on the creates video tab, we can also like upload the image of our influencer and maybe just write a prompt or something to create videos of our choice. So you can see this is super easy. So after creating several videos for of your AI influencers, you can post them on social media, and you can earn by doing so using the Higgsfield Earn. So once you come on the home page right here, you can click on Explore to go on the home page. And once you are on this page, you can click on the AI Influencer plus Higgsfield Earn. You can click on this, get paid for creating content with Higgsfield on social media. So you can see it says official creator program, Higgsfield Earn. Join Higgsfield Earn to get paid for your content. Create AI videos, post them on social media, and earn rewards based on your views and performances. So you can literally create multiple videos and click here to submit your videos to start earning. It says in 3 steps, you log in, you post, and you get your money. It is super easy. All right, guys, I hope you find this video interesting and educating. If you did, I'd like to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when I post more videos just like this one. See you in my next video, guys.